Hello, how to solve this is n power 2 times n power 6 equals 3. Okay, so for us to solve this, we can make use of two different methods. Now, let me start it this way. I can say let x equals n power 6. So that means I'm going to have n power 2 times x equals 3. So at this particular point, I can apply natural log. I will have natural log of n power 2 times x equals natural log of 3. And when you have natural log of a to the power of b, this equals b times natural log of a. So the 2 power x comes behind this. I have 2x times natural log of n equals natural log of 3. Now, if you observe, we have two variables here. We have x and there is n here. So let's get back to the original equation. Have you seen this particular equation that we said x equals n power 6? I can isolate n from here. Now, if x equals n power 6, that means n power 6 equals x. Let's isolate n by multiplying this exponent by 1 over 6. Have n power 6 raised to the power of 1 over 6 equals x power 1 over 6. If you multiply this exponent based on this identity, a power x power y equals a power xy. So this 6 eliminates this 6, that means n equals x power 1 over 6. So we are going to replace this here with x power 1 over 6. Let's do that and rewrite the equation. So we have 2x times natural log of x power 1 over 6 equals natural log of 3. Now I'm going by the same identity again. If you have natural log of a power b equals b times natural log of a, that means 1 over 6 comes behind it. So we have 2x times 1 over 6 times natural log of x equals natural log of 3. And from here, 2x times 1, that is 2x divided by 6 of natural log of x equals natural log of 3. What I can do will be this, divide this. This is 3, so we have x over 3 of natural log of x equals natural log of 3. So what I can do will be to multiply each part of this equation by 3. This multiplies 3. This multiplies 3. So this 3 will come behind this. You have 3 times x over 3 of natural log of x equals this is 3 times natural log of 3. So from here, this cancel this. I have x times natural log of x equals 3 times natural log of 3. X, 3, 3. Natural log, that means x equals 3. If that is the case, we come over here. Let's solve for n. If x equals 3, that means our n, which is x power 1 over 6, simply means what? 3 power 1 over 6, which is what? The 6th root of 3. Remember, if you have a power 1 over n equals the n root of a, right? So that means this is it. We have solved for n using this particular method. Let's consider another method without the use of natural log. N power 2 times n power 6 equals 3. I can say let x equals n power 6. So we have n power 2x equals 3. That means this represents what? X, right? Now from here, I need to make n the subject of this. So I can have n power 6 equals x, meaning n power 6 raised to the power of 1 over 6. And this equals, we do the same thing here, that is x power 1 over 6. So if you multiply this exponent following a power x power y equals a power xy, this cancels this. That means n equals x power 1 over 6. So we replace it here. That means we have x power 1 over 6 raised to the power of 2x equals 3. Now, by multiplying this exponent, we have x power 2x over 6 equals 3. This divides itself once, divide is 3. We have x power x over 3 equals 3. So we can raise this to the power of 3. We raise this to the power of 3 and raise this to the power of 3. We multiply this out, so this cancels this. I have x power x equals 3 power 3. So by comparing, if you have a power a equals b power b, that means a equals b. So that means we can say that x here equals 3. Now recall n equals x power 1 over 6. So we have n equals x power 1 over 6 and x is 3. That means n equals 3 power 1 over 6, which is the 6th root of 3. Remember, 1 power 1 over n equals the n root of a, just like what we had earlier on. So here is it. Now, any of these two solutions, they are obviously very correct, so you can decide to check. N power 2 times n power 6 equals 3, and n equals the cube root or the 6th root of 3, or 3 power 1 over 6. That's what we have gotten. Let's insert it right here. This is n. We have 3 power 1 over 6. There is 2 here. Raised to the power of 2 times 3 power 1 over 6. And this is raised to the power of 6. Equals 3. We consider this exponent first. We multiply this. 6 cancels 6. So we have 3 power 1 over 6 raised to the power of 2 times 3. That is 6. Equals 3. We also consider the same identity again. If you have a power x, power y equals a power xy, 6 cancels 6. That means we have 3 power 1 equals 3. And 3 power 1 is 3. We have 3 here equals 3. So the solution here is obviously very correct, guys. So that is it. This is how you can evaluate this, solve this step by step. Any of the methods, you get the same thing. Thank you and goodbye.